I am learning so much about police brutality. My main idea is that police brutality and misconduct is an issue that traumatizes the minority community. My major piece of research that I read about was community accountability, minority threat, and police brutality, an examination of civil rights and criminal complaints. The author argues that a growing body of evidence that through a growing body of evidence, minorities are being shown to be the targets of many police brutality cases. The author also included many studies to show that this was occurring. One study tested on cities with a population of 150,000 people or more, and evidence shown that the cities with more Hispanic police officers had less reports of police brutalities than cities with less minorities involved in the police department. The author showed how police brutality is a problem that causes tension between the minority community and the law. This is evidence of why this issue must stop, because if police brutality continues to be a recurring problem, more and more tensions will arise. I learned a lot from this piece because it showed a lot of evidence and appealed to my argument that police brutality is an issue that needs to be solved. On the other hand, many people believe that police are not targeting minorities and police feel threatened by gun control. The major idea of this piece that I studied was about how police kill because they feel threatened or feel in danger. One story told about a police officer shot and killed a young African American boy because he reached for his cell phone when the officer mistook it for a gun. Another story was about an officer named Rob Pitts who was killed in a shooting because the minority citizen he was trying to arrest shot and killed him. This piece challenged my thinking because it gave believable reasons as to why an officer would be targeting a minority. This does not make up for the fact that targeting certain people is very wrong and should not be occurring. As I research further, I want to learn more about non-minority police brutality to see if these issues are just as prominent, if not the same, in different communities. One aspect of this topic that is important to me to understand is that not all police officers have this kind of behavior, and it would be wrong of me to target any police in my research. As I continue my work, I will need to figure out a good way to stop this issue from continuing.